Last night, your breathing stopped. This number, 70%, isn't just data. It's a scream from your brain suffocating throughout the night. In that moment of silence, when snoring stops, your blood oxygen drops and your heart beats violently to survive. This isn't just a sleeping habit. It's a silent killer that increases stroke risk by 4 times and accelerates dementia. Do you wake up with a heavy head? Your body might have been a battlefield all night. Don't wait. Check your oxygen levels tonight. Find the full self-diagnosis guide on my channel. Protect your health now.